And we are not unfamiliar with the heroics of medical staff, nurses, and doctors across the country who've worked in the most challenging of times. Today, we're joined by one of those, Melissa Hinthorn, a respiratory therapy manager at UC Health Memorial Hospital. Most people had likely never heard of respiratory therapists until COVID-19 came along. But respiratory therapists have been true unsung heroes during this pandemic. During the COVID crisis, they've tended to numerous critically ill patients on ventilators. They assisted with intubations, helping to insert breathing tubes so patients could be placed on breathing machines. They regulated the amount of oxygen being mechanically pumped into the lungs and conducted pulmonary function tests. In short, they saw and cared for the sickest of the sick. The dedication shown by Melissa and the entire respiratory therapy team at UC Health is nothing short of amazing, and particularly at the start of the pandemic, when little was known about the virus and how it was transmitted. To say her courage has been commendable seems vastly understated. Jennifer Arnold has served as a dedicated registered nurse for 34 years, but nothing has challenged her like COVID-19 and the pandemic over this past year. The fortitude and resilience of healthcare workers all across our community have been tested, and Jennifer has found strength in her teammates' support and determination. Day after day, she has witnessed the courage, compassion, and dedication of the frontline staff fighting to overcome the COVID-19 virus. One of the things that has kept her going and encouraged all her teammates has been the support of our community, uplifting their spirits and creating a bond of unity. For Jennifer, the pandemic has reaffirmed why she chose a career in healthcare and solidified the pride she feels working among the toughest of tough and best of the best. Jennifer's pledge is that she and her fellow healthcare team will never give up the fight for their patients, their families, and our entire community. Melissa and Jennifer, please come forward to receive your awards.